What's going on, everybody? This is Patrick from Porter's Unboxings, as you know. And you know that package that didn't come in the mail yet? Well, it's right here. So let's see what's in it. If you didn't see my last video, I got a bunch of shirts and also the new and improved D-Generation X for $5. All of their stuff from 2006. And then I unboxed a 3-disc collector's edition of WrestleMania 26. And disc 3 is the Raw and SmackDown episodes. So let's see what is in this package before I eat my lunch. This is from Half Price Books. And we got a Fallout disc. But that is fine. Let me fix the... Come on! There we go. We got the Daniel Bryan Just Say Yes, Yes, Yes on Blu-ray. And you got the betrayal of Bray Wyatt moment, and the Yes Revolution moment. So let's check the condition. Disc 1 is completely the documentary and some matches. And you also got a bunch of Blu-ray exclusives, which I will go over, because I am going on vacation on Friday, so I'll only be there till Monday or Tuesday, so this will be reviewed. Yeah, some very good, like you got the Blu-ray exclusives. John Cena versus Bryan Danielson from Velocity. Daniel Bryan versus William Regal. Daniel Bryan and Brie Bella versus Ted DiBiase and Maurice. The Usos versus Bray Wyatt and Daniel Bryan. It doesn't have his biggest match on here, but we have a gauntlet match. Daniel Bryan versus Jack Swagger, Antonio Cesaro, and Ryback. But you don't have the Royal Rumble match between him and Bray Wyatt. Why? But, okay. So... some very good stuff here. This will be reviewed soon. And Clash in Paris predictions are coming soon as well. I just want to get the whole card in there before I do predictions. So this came out in 2015, 8.5 hour runtime. I got it on DVD as well. This is a very good set. But this has been Patrick from Porter's Unboxings, as you know. And I'm out. Peace.